Okay, this is CAD Rail here Monday afternoon, and this is the 10th of May 2021. So I got here, looks like an SD60 in the Canadian Pacific scheme here at the CAD Rail site. Here this is a AC4400CWM, and this looks like SD40-2 CITRail or something, CITX, so it's what, City Rail, I guess. And here's a CP SD40-2, I think, or maybe a GP38, not sure. And there another AC4400CW, and some boxcars there. So I'm just going to walk down here quickly, and you can get a view of what's here at CAD Rail. The interesting locomotive is the Genesee and Wyoming orange, black, and yellow, but you can't see it right now. I'll go over there shortly and look again. Hopefully the blue switcher will come and take away these boxcars or something so I can see them better. Anyway, these just came out actually because I was here before, and there was nothing, and then that blue switcher came over, the GMD1, and placed these locomotives there. So I'm not sure why they switched them around. Anyway, I'll make another video if I can of the Genesee and Wyoming locomotive. I think it's a Quebec and Gatineau Railway orange, black, and yellow locomotive, if I can.